Hey guys, welcome to Food Tracer. Today we are going to make chicken wings. Cooking should be simple. That's why we're gonna use a few very familiar ingredients to make chicken wings our way. Let's begin with the ingredient. So on the ingredient, I'm making this dish for like about 3 people. So that's why I got a kilo of chicken wings. I'll be using some chili finely chopped, which is in the jar. You can use the fresh one. We got like 4 tablespoons of grounded cumin and coriander powder. We got some salt to taste. I got some ginger, a few cloves of garlic. I'm using lime. You can use the lemon instead. I got soy sauce. This is the dark soy sauce, not the light one. You get the best result out of it. I'll be using some oil to marinate, and then I got peri peri spice grinder. And when I finish cooking, I'm going to add this one later. But if you want to use chili flakes, this is totally up to you. So I've got the grinder here to grind pretty much everything. I've already peeled this garlic, which I've showed you before. So I'll be using not too much, just a little bit of this fresh ginger. I'm just gonna keep like rough chop. So I'm the grinder anyway. Bit of oil, just enough to cover that. Three, 4 spoons of this soy sauce. The soy sauce will give you the nice rich flavor as well as the color as well. And I'm using this chili paste. This is a spicy chili chicken. I'll be using like about 3 or 4 spoons of this. So this is all the flavors. I'm going to grind this one. I can add a touch of water, but this is not actually blending. As I can see, all the spices here, I've got it nicely blended. I can smell it's really spicy, and this is going to turn into like a nice thick paste. So this is going to marinate all the chickens. So I've already made the paste, so we are going to marinate the chicken now. Just gonna sprinkle some salt. And we're adding the paste we made it. Seriously guys, I can't really say how nice that the smell coming through. Spicy, but so good. It's very good. I'm going to marinate. Just gonna make sure it coated each and every chicken. Today I'm going to cook this one in the air fryer. I recently bought the air fryer and I haven't tried it. So this is our marination look like. Each and every wings is covered with the spicy sauce we just made it, and we are going to wrap this and put it in the fridge for a couple hours for the best result. Make sure at least you put in the fridge for like 2 hours. So I've got the air fryer. The company is cooking different air fryer, and I'm just gonna cook this chicken in this one. The best thing about the air fryer is like it's not gonna take long to heat it up. So I'm gonna set this in 180. I got this little tray here. So it's been 2 hours already. We got the chicken on wrist. Are ready to serve. I put for 15 minutes but was not enough.